Hi, I'm Laurence Brahm, film director and producer at Shambhala Studio. And here we are at Shambhala Ashram. And I want to share with you some of the expectations we have coming forward as we're about to release on our YouTube film channel, the Dakini Code, Lotus-Born Master, and the Event Horizon. One of the really interesting subjects that we explore here is the infinity factor, looking at the tiniest particle of the universe and realizing that it opens up into another universe, looking at how we can transverse time and space. And really, this film goes beyond quantum physics and begins to look at phenomena that we think of in terms of astrophysics. We're understanding waves, wave particles, and how all things are part of an interconnected whole. We're starting to look at the question of what is feminine energy, what is masculine energy, the yin and the yang, and maybe actually it's one energy. In this, we're opening up the importance of understanding that we use duality in practice to break through duality and to achieve a state of non-duality. These are all aspects that we'll be exploring as we follow the Lotus-Born Master's footsteps and look at the stories of each of his 5 Wisdom Dakinis to understand what quantum energy fields they represent, and within that context, how we can go into greater spheres of knowledge of our own universe by understanding how the yin and the yang, or the yad and the yum, are actually synergistic. They're not two, they're one. This is kind of a new field, and I think in this we begin to understand why we have so much conflict in our societies, why there's so much stress right now on creating dualities, how our social media, our programming, our television, our news channels, our politics are actually fomenting artificial dualities, conflicts that have no reason to exist. Because once we go beyond these dualities, to understand everything is part of one. There is no right, there is no wrong, there is only one synergy and different perspectives on that one. And so by following the footsteps of the Lotus-Born Master to decrypt the Dakini Code, we are exploring the nature of our universe, the fact that you have light and you have darkness. You have different fields, but ultimately there's one field, and that goes into the emptiness field. And that all things that arise from any phenomena return to that phenomena, that actually emptiness is everything, and everything is emptiness. Emptiness both exists and it doesn't exist. And in that, we can understand what this field is.